Hello and welcome back to SephiaSpaces, where we explore beautiful homes that inspire the way we live. Today, we're stepping into a stunning modern residence that perfectly blends clean architectural lines, natural textures, and a serene outdoor environment. This home is not just about luxury, it's about balance, where every space feels intentional, calm, and connected. From the symmetrical facade to the carefully curated landscaping, this house presents a refined interpretation of contemporary living. Large glass panels invite natural light into every corner, while subtle contrasts between dark accents and soft neutral tones create a bold yet elegant identity. As we move through each space, you'll notice how seamlessly the interior flows into the exterior, creating a lifestyle that feels open, breathable, and deeply relaxing. So take a moment, slow down, and let's experience this home together. 1. Street view, opening shot. From the very first glance, this home makes a confident and sophisticated statement. Positioned gracefully along a quiet street, the structure stands out with its strong geometric form and clean horizontal lines. The flat roof design enhances its modern character, while the balanced proportions create a sense of harmony and stability. The facade is a composition of soft white surfaces, dark vertical panels, and expansive glass windows that reflect the surrounding greenery. 2. Driveway. As we move closer, the driveway introduces a clean and functional transition between the street and the home. The smooth concrete surface is designed with precision, offering both durability and a refined visual appeal. A sleek luxury car sits effortlessly within the space, complementing the modern aesthetic of the house. The driveway is not just a practical feature, it's an extension of the home's design language, maintaining the same level of minimalism and order. On either side, subtle landscaping softens the hard edges of the pavement. Low greenery and carefully placed shrubs create. 3. Front yard. The front yard is where structure meets nature in the most elegant way. Designed with symmetry in mind, the landscaping feels calm, organized, and visually satisfying. Neatly trimmed bushes form soft geometric shapes, while ornamental trees add height and a touch of organic movement. The layering of textures, from grass to gravel to foliage, creates depth without disrupting the clean aesthetic. Every plant appears to be placed with intention, contributing to a balanced composition that enhances the architecture rather than competing with it. 4. Porch. The porch area offers a subtle yet meaningful transition into the home. Covered and slightly recessed, it creates a sense of arrival that feels both intimate and refined. The materials here shift slightly, introducing warmer tones that soften the overall look. This contrast makes the entrance feel more inviting, drawing you in naturally. Soft lighting enhances the atmosphere, especially during the evening, casting gentle shadows that highlight the textures of the walls and flooring. It's a quiet moment before entering the home. 5. Entryway. Stepping into the entryway, you're immediately greeted by a sense of openness and clarity. The space is designed to feel welcoming without being overwhelming. Natural light filters in through large glass panels, illuminating the textures and finishes. The color palette remains neutral, allowing the architecture and materials to take center stage. There's a sense of calm here. No clutter, no distractions, just clean lines, balanced proportions, and a gentle flow into the rest of the home. This space sets the emotional tone for everything that follows. It tells you that this home is not just about aesthetics, but about creating an experience. 6. Living room. The living room is where the home truly comes to life. Open, airy, and filled with natural light, it creates a perfect environment for relaxation and connection. Floor-to-ceiling windows blur the boundary between indoors and outdoors, allowing the surrounding greenery to become part of the interior experience. The furniture is thoughtfully selected, modern, comfortable, and understated. Every piece serves a purpose while contributing to the overall harmony of the space. This is a room designed for living in the truest sense. Whether it's quiet mornings or lively evenings, it adapts effortlessly to the rhythm of daily life. 7. Dining room. The dining area continues the open concept flow, positioned to feel connected yet distinct. It's a space that encourages gathering and shared moments. A beautifully crafted dining table anchors the room, surrounded by chairs that balance comfort and design. The simplicity of the setup allows the experience, conversation, food, connection, to take center stage. Natural light plays a key role here, enhancing the atmosphere and making every meal feel a little more special. It's not just a dining space, it's where memories are made. 8. Kitchen. The kitchen is a perfect blend of functionality and modern elegance. Clean cabinetry, integrated appliances, and smooth surfaces create a seamless and uncluttered look. Every element is designed with efficiency in mind, making daily tasks feel effortless. Subtle textures and finishes add warmth, preventing the design from feeling too sterile. This is a kitchen that invites you to cook, create, and enjoy the process. Nine. Pantry. Tucked away yet incredibly practical, the pantry adds a layer of organization to the home. It's designed to keep everything within reach while maintaining a clean and tidy kitchen space. Shelving is arranged thoughtfully, allowing for easy storage and access. The simplicity of the design ensures that it remains functional without drawing unnecessary attention. It's a quiet but essential part of the home, proof that good design is not just seen, but experienced. 10. Bedroom. The bedroom is a sanctuary of calm. Soft tones, gentle lighting, and minimal design create a space that feels restful and serene. Large windows allow natural light to filter in during the day, while also offering peaceful views of the outside. Every element is chosen to promote relaxation, from the textures of the fabrics to the simplicity of the layout. It's a space designed for rest, reflection, and comfort. Closet. The closet is both functional and refined. Designed to keep everything organized, it allows for a seamless daily routine. Clean lines and smart storage solutions ensure that every item has its place. The space feels open and accessible, transforming a simple necessity into a pleasant experience. Bathroom. The bathroom offers a spa-like atmosphere with its clean design and high-quality materials. Stone, glass, and soft lighting come together to create a space that feels both luxurious and calming. The layout is intuitive, allowing for comfort and ease of use. It's more than just a bathroom, it's a place to unwind. Office. The home office is designed for focus and productivity. Natural light and a quiet atmosphere make it an ideal space for work or creativity. Minimal distractions and clean design help maintain clarity and concentration. It's a space that supports both ambition and balance. 14. Library. The library adds a layer of sophistication to the home. Shelves lined with books create a warm and intellectual atmosphere. It's a place for quiet moments, reflection, and inspiration. The design invites you to slow down and immerse yourself in thought. 15. Patio. The patio extends the living space outdoors, offering a perfect spot to relax and unwind. Comfortable seating and open views create an inviting atmosphere. It's a space where indoor comfort meets outdoor beauty. Backyard. The backyard continues the theme of balance and tranquility. Open space, greenery, and thoughtful design create a peaceful retreat. It's perfect for gatherings or quiet moments alone. 17. Backyard sunset, ending shot. As the sun begins to set, the backyard transforms into a warm and glowing landscape. The light softens, casting golden tones across the home and garden. It's a moment of calm, a perfect ending to the day. Thank you for joining us today on SephiaSpaces. This home is a true reflection of modern living, where simplicity, elegance, and comfort come together in perfect harmony. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring homes just like this. Until next time, stay inspired with SephiaSpaces.